Let's run your very first CodeRabbit review in under 60 seconds. When you open our website, just click on the Get a Free Trial button. Now, choose your favorite Git hosting service and authorize CodeRabbit. Select your account and click Install. The first time you run this, you get to choose whether you want CodeRabbit to run on all your repositories or just on a selected one. Additionally, CodeRabbit will ask if you want us to review any open pull requests. We will skip this step for now. And you're all set. So let's have a look at a small PR that I opened here to add additional logging to my DIY Finder app. CodeRabbit will run automatically on any PR you create into your main branch. But you can also just use the CodeRabbit AI-based review command to trigger a review of CodeRabbit on any other branch.